Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty. In this video I want to show you how you can refresh your protective hairstyle without having to do it again. I mean, like, people struggle with this a lot, and you can ever imagine. But a quick one, I also have a story behind this recreation, so follow along. Okay, so on this day I was going out with some set of people who are supposed to be showing me some things that I want to buy, and I have to decide whether I want to buy it or not. So my countenance is like a huge factor in the whole process. If I react one kind, if I don't like it, if I like it, everything will show on my face. And if you are the kind of person that whatever it is that is happening to you can easily show on your face. If somebody says something or made some kind of error somewhere, people can easily see it on your face. Exactly, that is what my face is like. I cannot hide it. No matter how I try to look blank or whatever, you will see that I'm either pleased or not pleased with whatever it is they are trying to offer me. So I honestly want these people to tell me their honest opinion, right? And I was thinking, what can I do to my face that doesn't have a filter like this? So that was when I started thinking of, okay, let me refresh this look, because I honestly do not have time to loosen this hair and then make it again. I just had to refresh it. So you can see I sprayed the water, and that was a viscous tea, by the way, and I used my brush to just let everything go back in places. I didn't have to um loosen the hair, detangle it again, and all of that, honestly. So anyway, what did I do to mask my face? You'll find out at the end of this video, okay? And I will tell you how everything eventually went down. So let's just continue watching. So if you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every long form video. And yes, guys, here is the verse of the day. Don't mind my energy today, I'm a little tired. So this was the face filter I resolved to. And I can always hide my face under that cap, whatever it is that I want to react to. That's if I'm conscious. What do you guys think? Let me know what you do in this kind of situation. I will make sure that I see you in my next one. Bye. I love you.